Welcome to my smart home. On our smart home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your Carrier air conditioner with Alexa makes your home climate smarter and more comfortable. Here are the steps to do it. First, ensure that your Carrier air conditioner is compatible with smart home systems. Carrier's Infinity system or other smart models can work with Alexa. The first step is to download the relevant Carrier mobile app and connect your air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network. Open the app, create an account, and add your air conditioner. Next, open the Amazon Alexa app. Go to the Skills section and search for the relevant skills, such as Carrier or Carrier Smart. Once you find it, enable the skill and enter your Carrier account login details to establish the connection. After the connection is established, give Alexa the command to discover devices. Alexa will find your Carrier air conditioner and be ready for control. Now, you can control your air conditioner using voice commands. For example, you can say, "Alexa, turn on the air conditioner," or "Alexa, set the temperature to 22 degrees." With this integration, you can keep control of your Carrier air conditioner at your fingertips, adjusting your home's temperature as you like. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.